Predators abound in every level of the rainforest, but who's at the top? The spot belonged to Harpy Eagle, but this chick is not yet ready to fly. Fully grown, they are the largest birds of prey in the Americas. This chick already weighs about 20 pounds. Still flightless, however, she depends on her parents to bring kills back on the nest. Moving at the 1/10 of a mile an hour, this sloth is a prime candidate. The 7-foot wingspan and stunning agility of the mother harpy are more than enough to secure the kill. Returning to the nest, the mother dismembers the carcass and feeds it to her granddaughter.